The Edifier D32 retro wireless speakers deliver impressively full and balanced sound for a compact tabletop unit with clear treble and solid low end that comfortably fills a medium-sized room. Its high-resolution audio support up to 24-bit and 96 kHz, combined with careful digital-to-analog conversion, makes it a strong choice for listeners who care about detail and clarity. Bluetooth version 5.3 with LDAC support gives a very stable wireless connection and allows higher quality streaming than standard Bluetooth codecs, which is noticeable with lossless or high bitrate tracks. A built-in high-capacity battery provides around 11 hours of continuous listening, so it works well as both a home speaker and a portable option you can move between rooms or take onto a patio. The retro-inspired wooden enclosure and accordion-style top controls give it a distinctive, well-finished look that feels more like a piece of furniture than a typical plastic speaker box. Versatile connectivity with AirPlay 2, USB Type-C, and analog auxiliary input means it integrates easily into a variety of setups, from phones and laptops to televisions and turntables.